Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off touch sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. If you touch any icon, any app or wherever you touch on the screen, there will be small sound. Okay, listen to the sound. That is called as touch sound. If you would like to turn off this touch sound, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is go to the settings of phone here, then go to sounds and vibration, and here select is system sound and turn off touch interactions. Under sounds option you will find touch interactions. Just turn off this button. Already it is turned on, so that touch sounds are coming. Okay, if you turn off this button, then if you touch on the screen or wherever you touch sound will not hearable now. Okay, listen, there is no sound. So in this way you can easily turn off touch sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.